Many of you here have one time or the other downloaded ebooks online, either from a course creator, or you have bought a book which is a course you want to learn something from, or thereabout. Okay, you might be wondering, how do I host my book? Where do I upload my books? How do I give people access to my book? Well, in this video, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chisom Sandra, and on this channel I talk about everything side hustle ideas, online business, and creating digital products for your business online. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you, or I'm going to be sharing the 3 best platforms you can host your ebooks or any of your digital products for free. Okay, you do not have to pay for it. You just need your smartphone or your laptop. Okay, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can upload your books on this platform individually. Okay, now if this is something you like to do, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now, if you know somebody out there who have been struggling to create ebook or digital product, check this video here. Okay, I shared and I showed you how you can create your first ebook in less than 24 hours. So check this video and sit back while I will show you how to upload your books which you have already created. If you have watched that video, now I'm going to show you how you can upload your books now to free platforms, that is hosting it, so that when people come to purchase, you just give them the link. And let's get right into it. One of the best free platforms that you can host your ebook and other digital products is your Google Drive. Now, if you have an email address, you already have a Google Drive. Okay, now let's head into our Chrome browser and see what Google Drive looks like. So I'm going to head over to my Chrome. Now this is my Google Drive, so I'm going to click on it here. As you can see, I have saved some documents, some pictures, some books, and every other thing here. Okay, now one thing about your Google Drive is that it backs up some items for you. Okay, you can back up and save as many items and you want. Now look at this, you can also put your files in folders. Okay, you can put your files in folders, arrange them properly. All right, now you can see this plus icon here. This is for new. Now let's say you have a book, you have written your book, you have designed your book with Canva. If you have not, you can check out this last video here where I showed you how you can create your first ebook. All right, now it's on your phone, you want to upload it, right? So you click on this new button, this plus, and you do what? Simply click on file upload. Now when you click on file upload, it takes you to your phone gallery, your photo library, or to just choose a file that you have on your phone, right? Now I can click on choose a file, which is where I have most of my file. Okay, I can just choose any file for this demo, right? Oh, I have a checklist here. So let's say I choose on this file now, the VA checklist. All right, click on it, open it. Now if you look below here, you can see that this checklist is uploading already, right? It's uploading, and voila, it's complete, the VA checklist. Okay, I can click on it to see the document, what it looks like. Now this is the document. I created this checklist some weeks ago. All right, now let me go back. Okay, now we have seen how we can use the Google Drive, right, as a platform to host our digital products or our ebook. Now let me go to my home page so you can see the latest. Okay, you can see this file that I have just uploaded. I can look for it and search for the VA checklist, which is the name of that digital product right now, the VA checklist. The VA checklist. Now once you've uploaded any file on your Google Drive, you can now share the link to this file to your clients, to anybody who has paid for your product. Now remember, this is a free platform, right? You are looking for where to host it, right? You can send people to the link. When people make payment, you don't need to keep sending them the books. You can just send them the link, right? Now this is the VA checklist. I'm going to click on these three dots here. All right. Now look up there. Okay, we have a link and other icons. I'm going to click on this icon here which shows link. I click on it. Now below it has told us that this link cannot be copied, right? This is because it's from my other email, right? Now let's say I'm going to use this PDF. Now let me just show you how to copy a link and send to your clients. All right, so let's say this is any of your file, right? This is any of your file. You simply click on these three dots, right? Come again, click on these three dots right here. Okay, can you see the option download, rename, make a copy, share, and all that? So I will click on the share button and I can see share and copy link. Now when you copy a link, this is the link that you give to your clients to download after they make payment. I click on copy link and you can see below link copied. It's as simple as that. You have hosted your digital product or your ebook on your Google Drive, all for free. Now you can send that link to any of your clients who have made payment to purchase your digital products. And this is how you can make use of the Google Drive as a free platform to host your ebook and your digital products. Now it works on the smartphone, which I am using for this tutorial, and it works also on your laptop. On your laptop, you get a wider view. So it also works on your smartphone, which is what I'm using for this tutorial. All right. The second free platform that you can use to host your ebooks and your digital products is YouTube. Guys, it is YouTube. Now, when I started my journey to digital product, course creator, and all that, I used Google Drive. Like I use Google Drive to host all my video courses, my ebooks, which are still on there. Now, my second choice for video is YouTube. I'm going to click on YouTube. We all know YouTube. We use YouTube. We have YouTube and all that, right? Now, let me show you how you can host your digital products, mostly your video course, your online courses on YouTube. Now, you go to your channel. I will click on my icon and I will click on go to channel. All right. Now, on your channel, it's going to show you all your videos and all that. Okay. Now, to host your course, your online course, your video course on YouTube, you make use of what we call your playlist, which is here. Now, you know an online course always has module 1, module 2, module 3, and all that, right? It might not just be one video. It can be a video split into 3, 4, or more than 5 parts, okay? So I use what is called a playlist for mine, okay? I'm going to show you mine right here, okay? Now, this is one of my courses, AI image creation course. Now you can see the number 6 below here, which shows that in this course I have up to 6 modules. Now this is my AI image creation course. I hosted this on this free platform called YouTube for free. Now you can see the module 1, module 2, module 3, and all that, right? So I hosted this course on YouTube. Then I generated the playlist link, which I sent to participants who made payment, okay? Now let's see the other course I also have here. Where is it? Basic video editing course. You can see it here, my video editing course. You can see 11 videos, okay? This is where I hosted my first course on YouTube. One of my first course on YouTube. The previous ones, remember, I hosted them on Google Drive. But this year, I hosted my basic video editing course, Bivec. So if you want that, I'm going to link it down below in the description box for anybody who is interested. So these are the modules, right? And you also have 2 bonuses where I teach the basics of basic video editing. All right. Now, to host a course, an online course on YouTube, right? you click on this plus icon. You upload your video normally the way you upload a YouTube video. You click on the plus, you choose a video, you choose a video, you click on next, right? You click on this picture to add a cover photo, right? I'm not doing that now. Then you create a title for this module 3. It says what and that and all that. Now, here's the best part. Since it's a paid course, people are going to pay you to access this course. You can see the visibility. You can either leave it on private, which is already here, or you leave as unlisted. Now, if your video is going to be on private, what it means is that you can only add people to this. You can add people via their email address, and when you add them, they are going to be the only one to use that email address and have access to your course. Now, if you use the unlisted option, what it means is that the video won't be available to anyone in the public. It's only going to be available to those who you send the link. Get the difference? Now, for my course, I use unlisted because I just generated the link to the playlist and sent to the group. And they all use it to access the video, learn the course. They can even drop their comments, right? Now, private means that you're going to manually add everybody using their email address. You add them one after the other. Okay, it can be stressful. There might be some mistakes. So I just found it best to just give them the link to the unlisted product. And that is that. So let's go back. Okay? We are not doing anything that. So that is how you can use YouTube to upload your video course. All right. Now, this is my YouTube channel. Now, remember, a video course mostly has 1, 2, 3, more than 4 modules. Okay. So you arrange and store all your video in a playlist. Now, if you need me to create a more detailed video on how you can upload your courses on YouTube, in the comment section, just type YouTube. All right. Now, let's go to the next one. The third free platform that you can use to host your digital products and your courses is Selar. This is it right up here. Selar. So let me type it out for you. Selar.co. We are going to go to this is Selar.co. Now let me click on this. So we'll start up right now. This is Selar.co. This is what it looks like. Now, Selar is a free platform, though it has a premium plan, okay? But you can start with a free plan, which I use. Now, the best way to sell your digital products online, start selling with Selar. And there, it also has a gateway to receive payment. So among these 3 free platforms, Selar is the only one that can receive payment for you. Okay, you connect your bank account, you choose the currency you want, Naira, USD, Ghana cedis, Kenya, sterling, and all that. Okay, so this is Selar. All right, you can find out more. So I have 2 or 3 of my ebooks here and all that. All right, so you can do your research and see what Selar is about. Now let me take you to my Selar store to see what it's like. Go to the storefront direct. Selar. Good. Now this is my store address. Now this is it. I use my name here. Now these are my digital products that I have here. The paid products. I have this virtual assistant checklist. This is the price, 4,999 naira. And this is my AI image creation course, the one I just showed you on YouTube. Now I also have it listed on Selar. Now, here it's about using different platforms. You can host your products on all these platforms, okay? I see it like a safety or a security measure. Anything happens to one, so maybe your customer cannot access one, you can give them access through another platform, right? So I still have my AI image creation course here. I have my basic video editing course on Selar. And I also have this ebook I wrote some years ago, which was free for a long time until I decided to put a price on it. All right. So this is my digital products, ebooks, and online courses on Selar. So this is the best platform, a free platform for you that are just starting out on your digital creator journey to host your ebooks and other digital products. And you can use your smartphone, okay? If you have a laptop, that is awesome. Use it. It's going to be easy and fun, all right? So let me know in the comment section which of these three platforms will you be starting out with. All right. Now, remember, I have used the three of them. I am currently using two of them. In fact, I have most of my digital products on my Google Drive. So I am using the three of them right now. All right. It doesn't hurt to have all your products on various of them, okay? But you can use Selar to receive payment from your client, okay? Through Selar, you can use Selar to receive your payment. So I want to know the one you're going to be using in the comment section. And if you have any question, ask me down below and I'll be here to answer your question. All right? You might be thinking, where do I upload my books to platform that can pay me in dollars and all that? Now, you also have the opportunity to upload your book on a platform called Amazon KDP. Now, it's a platform owned by Amazon in which you can upload your books, right? Yeah, your books, your notebooks, and other digital products and earn in dollars. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, okay? Now, if you are interested in uploading your book to this site, just like you learned in this video how to upload your books to free platform, the link I will leave below will direct you on how you can upload your books on this platform called Amazon KDP and how you can make money in dollars. Okay, so if that's something you are interested in, you want to create as many books as you can and earn in dollars, click that link below. I'm sure you got value from this video. Now, if you have any question, ask me in the comment section and I will get to you. Okay. Now, if you have watched the video up to this point, please subscribe to my channel and share the video. Okay. Just click below, click the share option and copy the link. Share it to your WhatsApp status. Share it to your Facebook group and community. If there's someone that is interested in learning how to upload their books, their free ebook, just share this link to them, okay? Let them come and learn with you. Remember, I am rooting for you, okay? I am rooting for you. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.